The rest of the companions used to say that the Prophet, peace be upon him, was the most giving in Ramadan. But what does giving really mean? It is not just about money. Welcome to Deen Booster. There are 5 main acts of worship in Ramadan. You can do more, but these 5 are the minimum. Are you ready for them? 1. Extra prayers. Right now, you may be performing only the 5 obligatory prayers. Why not add the Sunnah prayers? Many people ask, are good deeds multiplied in Ramadan? If I tell the truth outside Ramadan, I earn a good deed. Does that mean in Ramadan I get 1,000 good deeds for the same act? The answer is this. Allah SWT always multiplies good deeds throughout the year. He looks at our sincerity, intentions, and the quality of our actions. He rewards each person based on what they deserve. One person's single prayer may be worth 100 rewards, while another's may be worth 1,000. It depends on the effort, sincerity, and devotion put into it. Good deeds are not automatically multiplied in Ramadan in terms of number. There is no explicit text in the Quran or Sunnah stating this. However, what does happen in Ramadan is that good deeds carry more weight and significance. Think of it in terms of currency. Some currencies are worth more than others. A single good deed in Ramadan is heavier in value, just like a strong currency holds more purchasing power. Since good deeds carry more weight, sins also become more serious in Ramadan. Some people enter and leave Ramadan with their sins forgiven, their faith strengthened, and their rewards multiplied beyond imagination. Others, however, misuse this blessed month, committing major sins and wasting their time, ultimately moving closer to hellfire. Ramadan is a pathway either towards goodness or destruction. Which path will you take? Also, sins are not multiplied in number, just as good deeds are not. However, the seriousness and impact of sins are magnified in Ramadan. 2. Remembrance of Allah, dhikr. Increase your remembrance of Allah. Download an app like Fortress of the Muslim and use it to say daily supplications. 3rd, recitation and reflection on the Quran. Ramadan is the month of the Quran. It was first revealed in Ramadan, and Angel Jibril, in Ayas, would review the Quran with the Prophet PBUH every year in this month. If you recite the Quran fluently, aim to complete it at least once in Ramadan. If you struggle, do your best. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that those who struggle to recite the Quran receive double the reward. If you are new to Islam or do not know Arabic, you are not excluded. Memorize short surahs and recite them. Even reciting Surah Ikhlas 100 times carries immense rewards. Every letter of the Quran earns at least 10 rewards. And in Ramadan, this can be multiplied even more based on sincerity and effort. In addition to reciting, try to live by the Quran. If you come across a verse advising against suspicion and gossip, apply it in your life. Use Ramadan to purify your heart, mind, and tongue. 4. Giving charity. Giving in Ramadan is not just about money. It includes giving your time, kindness, care, forgiveness, mercy, service, attention, and even a smile. Helping someone relieve their stress, sharing food, and being there for others are all forms of giving. Everyone has an opportunity to give, whether rich or poor, strong or weak. 5. Improving character. Ramadan is a school that trains us to become better. Some people come out of it with improved patience, humility, and self-control. Others waste the opportunity. Use this month to work on your weaknesses. If you gossip, make it your goal to stop. If you struggle with anger, practice self-restraint. Ramadan is a chance for spiritual growth and transformation. Take advantage of it before it passes. Kindly subscribe this channel for more videos related to preparation of Ramadan.